Hi there, I'm Kathleen Horn from Expressive Arts Florida Institute, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about our workshop series, Art as a Healing Practice. This is an expressive arts workshop, and the purpose is to enhance creative self-care and self-exploration. We use guided meditation, visual art, writing, witnessing, and sharing. The workshop series spans 6 weeks with a different theme every week that we explore through all of these modalities. In session 1, we look at the question, where am I now? Just kind of taking a pause in the flow of our life in the present moment and checking in. This is an image and a distilled writing that emerged recently from the first session. In session 2, we visit the emotional landscape. And in session 3, we tune in to the messages and wisdom of the body. In week 4, we explore something that feels like a polarity in our life, something that pushes or pulls us in 2 different directions. And to do this, we use the powerful form of the Mandorla, or 2 overlapping circles. In week 5, we explore centering, wholeness, and integration. And we create a mandala, or sacred circle. In the final week, we bring it all together, and we touch on the question, what's next? I invite you to visit our website and have a look at the various options that we're offering. We have a new self-study option, as well as live in the studio and live online. The schedule varies a little bit throughout the year, so have a look and see if there's something there that works for you. Feel free to email if you have questions. I'd love to have you join us in the circle. Thanks so much.